just waiting until my tea is cooled down, but they suggest that we let it steep for like 12 minutes. So it's almost been 12 minutes and I can't wait to drink it. It looks so healthy. It's gonna make me feel better. And so I'm going to go and drink a little bit because it's been almost like 12 minutes already. So let me just take a little sip. Tastes good. Tastes